Yo guys, what's up? Dean here for Marijuana SA, and today I'm going to be talking about the main product in my IPM regiment, and that is the wetting agent made with JADAM technology. This is another Kaya Farms product. As you guys have probably noticed, I really like the Kaya Farms stuff. It's all natural, it's all locally made, and it comes in at a really good rate. So it's definitely something you should check out if you're not using it in your garden already. What exactly is a wetting agent? A wetting agent is basically a surfactant that will allow for water to better coat your leaves of your plant. I've got an example plant over here, as well as the JADAM wetting agent is also an insecticidal soap. So you can basically use it as a wetting agent, you can use it to attack soft-bodied insects, and then you can also use it as a basic household soap. So it's really natural. It will be broken down 97% in 5 days from application. Some of the broken down parts will actually be nutrients that go back into the soil. So it's an all-round epic product. Like I said, it's really affordable. You can make it yourself if you don't want to buy the already made bottles. And yeah, it's basically something that I would suggest you do get in your garden as soon as possible. It's completely changed the way that I am running my garden. And this summer season has been, thankfully, touch wood, quite free of pests and disease with regular usage of this and a few other products. And it's really easy to use. You basically use 2 mils to 5 mils if you're using it as just a wetting agent, as a foliar spray per liter of water. And then if you're using it as an insecticidal spray, you can use between 5 mils and 30 mils, depending on how bad the pests are at that current stage. And like I said, it is completely natural, so you don't stand a high chance of damaging your plant, but do be careful if you are utilizing the product on seedlings. So I want to show you guys an example of the difference between a spray with and without.